Today I have this amazing dresser that is going to be a natural wood color and it's going to be fluted on the top drawers. This has 9 drawers, making this super optimal and versatile in your home. Each one of these drawers is going to be able to support 25 pounds, and on the top it's going to be able to support 170 pounds. So that's going to enable you to be able to put a lamp up here, books, decor. You're going to be able to support a lot of weight without having to worry about it. Now, one of my favorite features about this is it has curved edges going around the side, which just give it a lot of simplicity, design, and it kind of just keeps you a little bit more safe because there's not a sharp edge. These are not going to feature outside handles. The handles are actually going to be a little bit of curvature on the top here of the drawers, and then it's going to be on the bottom, on the top ones. Very easy to put your fingers in and grab these drawers. They slide seamlessly and smoothly, and this just looks absolutely amazing in the home. This is going to be a really nice modern design, has a lot of curvature in it, and just looks really cool. I love the fluted and the contrast. Very simple design, simplicity at its finest. It has round footing on the bottom. Overall, this dresser is going to be a very big size that's super practical. They have other sizes on the website. You can get the taller one and you can get one with just 6 drawers, and you can match all these up and make your bedroom look absolutely amazing. The assembly on here just took me only a few hours, was very easy to follow the directions, really spelled out. All the tools were in there, the nuts and bolts, everything was labeled perfectly, so it just made the install completely seamless. This is also going to be made with a certified engineered wood that's going to be very durable and last a long time. And you can see I just have a little bit more furniture over here to match and go along. I have this really nice nook in my bedroom with just like a little cutout, and this ended up fitting this absolutely perfect. So there are different sizes you can get. You can get the skinnier, taller one, or you can get the one with 6 drawers instead of 9. But check out how amazing this curvature is. It's just so smooth and just looks so nice. Down on the bottom, you're going to get some nice curvature and a nice support going all the way across. There's actually a piece in the bottom middle underneath that's like a leveling, so you can adjust that. I didn't have to because it's on carpet, but you may have to on hardwood. Overall, I absolutely love this dresser and I think it was a great choice. Go and check out all the other colors and sizes they have. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.